Which term best defines the word uncover as it is used in paragraph 1 of the passage? A. Reveal. B. Withdraw. C. Unstop. Or D. Take down. Let's begin by locating the context in which the word uncover is used in the passage. We see this in the third sentence of the first paragraph, which tells us that scientists are still trying to understand the history of Mars, and NASA rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance can help uncover evidence to piece together the planet's timeline. Based on the context, we can see that by uncover, the text means to discover or find, as the rovers are sent to Mars specifically to look for evidence that could be helpful to scientists trying to understand Mars better. Looking at our choices, we can see that the only one that matches this meaning is A, reveal, which we can mark as our final answer.